Hi, welcome to Anne's Digital Kitchen. I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite things, which are pantry basics, in particular canned beans. Can't get more basic than that. Now, it's easy to whip up quick meals when you have basics in your pantry, and one of the easiest and most nutritious of all pantry items are the humble canned bean. They come in all different shapes and sizes and colors, from inky black to bright white, and with all colors of red and pink in between. I mean, they're gorgeous. And they're cheap, nutritious, and are full of protein and fiber. They're a staple of the Mediterranean diet and in vegetarian and vegan kitchens too. They're excellent for whipping up healthy meals in a hurry. You can use them in soups, chilies, salads, even in cakes. Yep, even cakes. So stick with us and look and learn.